Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Russell 2000. It was a request from one of the followers, and just a reminder, anyone can make such requests and I will usually follow up on them, especially if there is a trade setup to follow. So to start this off, let's look at the large time frame where we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and we are now tracking the third wave to the upside. And for this we are mainly tracking two scenarios. And firstly, there is the yellow scenario in which we completed the wave 1 up here, wave 2 down, third wave up, fourth down, fifth wave up, third wave is complete in the yellow scenario. And we would now be looking for a larger fourth wave that has the support not reached yet, but it is between $153.6 down to around $91.6. And then we also have the white scenario in which we had a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a longer third wave to the upside, a fourth down, possibly complete, and we would now be tracking the fifth wave to the upside. But in this case, it is still possible to have a larger A, B, C and continue the fourth wave to the downside. Now, the support zone for this scenario instead, it's not drawn like this. So the support zone for this scenario is from $165.6 down to around $107.5. In this case, we did already reach the support zone, and we could quite likely be heading into the fifth wave to the upside, but it would be in a diagonal pattern, as in the wave 1 we only have a 3-wave move, and we would then expect all of the subwaves of this fifth wave to the upside to be in an ABC pattern. Now, to track this even further, we do already, quite possibly, already have the A wave complete of the third wave to the upside. But to be honest, maybe it's just the A wave of a larger A wave. We can see about that a little later, but the ideal target for the third wave would be around $305. And I don't know if we completed the wave B already. I think not. I believe we may see still further downside to reach the support zone for the wave B between $203.6 down to around $182. But even if we reached or we completed the wave B correction, we would expect the C wave to reach an ideal target at the 100% extension of the wave A at $280.5. That would be quite short of the ideal target for a third wave. Now again, this C wave doesn't need to get here, doesn't need to stop here. And again, then the third wave doesn't really have to get to the 138.2% extension at $305. That's an ideal target, but it doesn't need to get reached. And so far we are within these levels. As long as we stay above the support zone or above the 78.6% retracement at $182, I still expect further direct upside. And then if we actually break below, let's actually see first how low we retraced in here for a wave 2. Yeah, we dipped a little below it, but overall it is still, it recuperated back into the support zone quite quickly, and then it fell back below. Yeah, let's say that if we break below the $172 level, I would expect most likely direct downside into a reset of this wave 4 in white at least. If not, we could really even be in the larger wave 4 that could be in yellow. And then that would be the first level that I will even highlight here. And then I would add a second level that would be further confirmation that we would be looking for a C wave to the downside in this case, and that would be at the $162 level. But for now, These are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.